Hello and welcome to this new series. This new series will explore feature by feature comparison between Tableau and Power BI. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for the new videos. Hello and welcome to another video on Tableau versus Power BI. In today's video, we are going to discuss how can we do gradient coloring on visuals of Tableau as well as Power BI. So let's jump first on the Tableau. So on Tableau, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new visual and so let me take from item brand, and along with brand, let me take net. So I open the sales table and from there I take net sales. Okay. And now let me convert this into a bar visual. Okay. Now right now you see all the bars are of same color. Now, what I can do in Tableau, and this is very easy stuff you can do in Tableau, you can drag any column or measure onto the color and that's how it will get colored up. Okay. So let's say I want to color this on net sales itself. So I put net sales onto the color and it will get colored. And let me click on the color, then I get the edit color, and by default it is gradient color which has been picked up. Now you have different gradients which you can use, like this tricolor gradient, uh, red diverging green and all those. So you can choose that, and then based on that, like the smallest one would be the darkest red and the greatest one would be the biggest green. Now you can do this basis. Now right now I'm doing this based on the net sales measure, and I can go ahead and drag some other measure also. Let's say I want to do it on margin, so I can drag margin percentage on color, and then again the gradient has happened based on margin percentage. I can again click, I can go to the edit colors, and I can do choose again red, amber, green, or only two shades, only single shade. uh, you have quite a few choices out here and you can choose from there. And then there is one more option, like steps. I don't want too many colors, then I can choose a step. And then sometime what happens, you say red, orange and green, but you actually need green, orange and red, and you don't have that, so you can reverse it basically. So you can say okay, smaller is better. Now margin is basically not like this. If you do discount, then we say smaller is better. Okay. So so let's do like step coloring. So we can have like right now we have 5 step, we can have 10 step, 20 step, we can whatever we want we can have. Similarly, let's see, do we have a discount measure? Now when we want to use discount measure, I'm dragging, and this is pretty easy. You just drag it on the color and you do it. And then I go to the edit color. Now this time around what happened is this red, amber, green, I need it in the reverse manner. So basically the one which is basically small, which is green for me. And now do I want steps, or let me, we have a very small range. So here I may prefer to have steps so that I at least see some numbers, but let's keep it the range right now. And then there are advanced option if you want to change the start range and end range. Let's say even you want to start from 0, even though they are from 22 and this range. So you can do that, and let me apply this. So you can see based on the discount now, uh, and see, don't go by the net. Actually, what is the discount? So bigger the discount, and this is the color based on the discount, not based on the net. We are showing net, but we have color based on discount. So this is the way you can do this diverging coloring in Tableau. Now let's go to Power BI. So uh, let's create this similar kind of visual here. So we are going to go here and bring in brand, and once you bring in brand, let's also bring in net. Now let me make it as a bar visual. And now where is the conditional formatting option? Now here you have to go to the format. This is the older version, newer version, you have the option on the top. Now there you will see data color. Now data color will not appear if you have more than one measure. Measure means the values, or you are using legend. So once you start using legend, you will also not get the you will get the data color option, but you will not get the effects. So let me explain that to you. So if I, let's say, drag category here, so if you go back to the data color, you will not get the effects option. Same way, if I have more than one measure, let's say I have net 80 also along with it, I go here, I go to the data color, and in the data color I don't have option for FX. FX is something which allows us conditional formatting. what we call or the advanced conditional formatting option, and inside that one the first option is gradient. You have three options: gradient, rule based, and field value based. You can use gradient. Now once we get the gradient, we can actually go ahead and choose the measure we want. Let's say I want to do it on net, so I can choose net, and then I can have colors. Like let me keep the same one and let apply it. Now I can go ahead and change it to, let's say, red, amber, green, or something like that. So I can choose, okay, red, then I say green. Let me take the darkest green, and then let me choose the middle one. Now here you don't have a stepped option. Now you will not find any stepped option, just like Tableau here. So that option is not available, but you can have it. Now what you can do is you can click here and you can choose another measure. Let's say I go and choose margin. So margin percent. The good thing here is that it is not going to forget, or it's not going to remember the last option which we have done with the margin. So same kind of option will continue here, and then we can actually get it here. Now if I want discount, there is no reverse option here, so I have to go ahead and change the color. So if I, let's say, take discount, and now there is no reverse option here. So what I have to do is I need to choose green here, and I need to choose red here. So I need to reverse the option manually, and then I can go get this kind of coloring. So diverging coloring. So you see on both the tools how can we do the gradient based coloring. So go ahead and try that out. Do let us know what you want us to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Get involved. Keep asking questions in comments. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of our new video. Keep watching.